y'all, today we're gonna teach y'all how to make no-bake cookies. And yeah, this will be our mixing bowl right here. It's gonna be awesome. They're gonna be good. And have you learned anything about no-bake cookies here getting ready to go?
They have to be cooked on the stove.
And you didn't know that?
I didn't.
Wow. All right, so I'm gonna sit here and supervise, and we'll let her cook. Got 1 block of milk,
Half cup.
half a cup of milk. How much sugar we doing?
1 3/4 cup.
Looks good. I'd like more sugar than that though.
You do need to sweeten up.
Yeah, there you go. So how much cocoa powder are we doing?
1/3. Which, that's a heavy 1/3.
Yeah, that's a real third there.
I'm wondering if that's the wrong measuring cup.
Yeah, that's not a third. There you go, stirring that block of butter.
Stirring it up. Oh, stirring it up. Okay, so it got to a boil. We stirred it for about a minute to let the sugar dissolve. And now we're gonna pull it away from the heat and add our peanut butter. I've already added some vanilla. Now we just have to add this to our oats. Look how smooth that is. All right. We are walking over to the oats.
So how many cups of oats are we doing?
3.
That's gonna be good.
Smells like peanut butter. Kind of ruins it for me.
I love peanut butter.
I know you do. That's why I made these. Just for you.
You'll like them after you try these.
Oh, I don't know about that. Okay, I think that's good. Now, we are going to get a 2 tablespoon measure and do little drop cookies of this all over the parchment paper. And then we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. And that should be all it takes to set and get nice and firm.
Yeah, and then we'll come back and video me eating them. Y'all think they'll be good?
I always named it. What are they called?
No-bake cookies.
No-bake cookies. Are they gluten-free?
Yep.
So we all get to eat them? I always known about banana cookies.
I haven't made banana cookies in a long time. I need to make those again.
And oatmeal cookies. Favorite. But you don't put any weed in oatmeal cookies?
Don't put any what in it?
Weed. It's gluten. Wheat. I love banana cookies. They're my favorite.
You gonna survive over there?
She's saying wheat, but it sounds like she's saying weed.
Weed?
I was like, who been putting weed in their cookies? have you been at? No, they've been at Meemaw's house. Meemaw be putting wheat in her cookies.
No, we have barely any. Every single cookie she's made, she's never put a wheat in. I wish I could lick everything.
All right, so we're gonna see what we got here.
All right. Okay, so it did solidify. Okay,
Yeah, a little bit.
it firmed up. Okay, I don't think it's perfect. I think
Yeah.
it'll firm up a little bit more, but this is good enough here. We're gonna just give everybody a little bite. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay, Bethany, you're first. What'd you think?
It's a little bit too peanut butter and too chocolate.
2 peanut butter and 2 chocolate. That's interesting. That's the main ingredients.
It's kind of too chocolate-like.
There's yours. Oklamise, what do you got?
Man, that was a big bite.
She really wants to taste the flavor.
Peanut butter and chocolate and oatmeal.
What do you think?
Chocolate and oatmeal and peanut butter.
But what is your opinion?
It is delicious.
Okay.
Get it. Yummy.
You haven't even tasted it yet. What do you think?
What's the taste? Cotton.
Tastes like a cookie.
All right, Daddy do. Or I'll do it first.
That's good peanut butter, ain't it?
The cookies are destroyed.
Oh, that's good. From my childhood.
So it's reminiscent.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
It's yummy.
Awesome. Do y'all think we should do this recipe again?
Yeah!